Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
First, power off the surface completely and unplug any cables before you begin. Next, discharge static by touching grounded metal and work on a soft, non-conductive surface. Heat the display edge to approximately 70 degrees C using an eye opener for 3 to 4 minutes to soften the adhesive. Prepare a 1.5mm plastic pry tool, a thin guitar pick, and a 3.5cm suction cup for lifting. Keep magnetic screw trays and ESD wrist straps ready to protect components during disassembly. Attach the 3.5cm suction cup near one corner of the warmed edge and lift gently to create a small gap. Insert the 1.5mm plastic pry tool or a thin guitar pick into that gap and slide it along the edge slowly to cut the softened adhesive. Work in sections, reheating each area for 3 to 4 minutes as needed to keep adhesive pliable. Avoid flexing the display more than 10 millimeters to prevent cracking the glass or straining ribbon cables. After lifting the display, locate the display and battery ribbon connectors and lift their locking tabs gently to unplug them. Remove or loosen screws securing brackets using appropriate drivers, and note screw positions in an organized tray. When reinstalling, apply new adhesive strips or double-sided tape and align the display carefully before pressing. Use about 2 kilograms of even pressure for 2 minutes to seat the adhesive. Reconnect the battery and boot the surface before finally sealing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.